Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Tom is a 30-year-old office worker. One morning, he wakes up. He has a sore throat. He also has a small fever. Tom feels tired. His head hurts a little. He drinks some water. He makes tea with honey. He hopes the tea helps him feel better. But after a few hours, he still feels unwell. At 9 o'clock in the morning, Tom calls the clinic near his home. He says, "Hello, I'd like to see a doctor today, please." The receptionist asks him, "What's the problem?" Tom replies, "I have a sore throat and a fever." The receptionist gives him an appointment at 11 o'clock. Tom arrives at the clinic. He sits in the waiting room. There are a few other patients there. After 15 minutes, the nurse calls his name. "Tom, the doctor will see you now." Tom walks into the room. He says, "Hello, doctor." The doctor replies, "Hello, Tom. What brings you in today?" Tom explains, "I have a sore throat and I feel tired. I think I have a fever." The doctor takes his temperature. She says, "It's 38.2 degrees Celsius. You have a mild fever." Then she checks his throat. She listens to his chest. The doctor says, "You have a small infection, but nothing serious. You don't need antibiotics. Just rest, drink warm liquids, and stay home for a couple of days." Tom nods and thanks the doctor. She smiles and says, "You'll feel better soon. If the fever gets worse, come back." Tom leaves the clinic. He stops by a store. He buys lemon, ginger, and honey. When he gets home, he makes hot tea. Then he lies down on the sofa with a blanket. He watches a movie and drinks his tea. The next day, he feels a little better. By the third day, he is almost back to normal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.